Hello, my dear students. This is the first lesson of Conversational Arabic. We are going to learn some good phrases to use in our conversational Arabic. So let's get started. We will start with at-tahiyyat, which means greetings. In Arabic, usually when you see someone, you say Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum literally means peace be upon you. The response will be wa alaykum assalam. Wa alaykum assalam. Literal translation, and on you is the peace. So assalamu alaykum wa alaykum assalam. If you want to say just like hi or hello, you say marhaban. Marhaban. So that means hello or hi. And the response would be the same thing. You can say marhaban, marhaban bika. At the morning, we say sabahu al khair. Sabahu al khair. Good morning. And the response would be sabahu an nur. Sabahu an nur. So sabahu al khair, sabahu an nur. In the evening, we would say masa'u al khair. Good evening. Masa'u al khair. And the response masa'u an nur. Masa'u an nur. If you just meet someone for the first time, you can say ahlan wa sahlan, which means nice to meet you, kind of. Ahlan wa sahlan. And the response would be ahlan wa sahlan or ahlan bika. If you want to ask someone, how are you? In Arabic, you would say كيف حالك? كيف حالك? Like, how are you? And if you want to ask the same question for a woman, you would say كيف حالك? So we change حالك to حالك. And the response would be أنا بخير. Or if you want, if you are going to pronounce the tanween, you would say أنا بخير. So أنا بخير. أنا بخير. شكرا. شكرا means thank you. So كيف حالك? How are you? أنا بخير. شكرا. You can ask back وأنت. وأنت. And you? And the response أنا بخير أيضا. أنا بخير أيضا. Okay, so these are the main greetings in Arabic. Let's read a conversation now, and we will see some of these phrases in the conversations. Okay, let's read the first conversation between Khalid and Abbas. So Khalid, Assalamu alaikum. Abbas, wa alaikum assalam. Khalid, ما اسمك؟ عباس: اسمي عباس. وأنت ما اسمك؟ خالد: اسمي خالد. عباس: من أين أنت من أين أنت يا خالد؟ أنا من مصر. وأنت؟ أنا من سوريا. أهلا وسهلا. أهلا بك. I hope you understand this now. So we can go and translate it. So خالد, السلام عليكم, peace be upon you. عباس, وعليكم السلام. خالد, ما اسمك? What is your name? And you can see ka is the prefix for your. So اسم is name and ka is your. So your name. ما, what? اسمك, your name. اسمي عباس. My name is Abbas. وأنت? And you? ما اسمك? اسمي خالد. My name is Khalid. So ismi, also this prefix yi means my. So ism, name. Ismi, my name is Khalid. من أين أنت يا خالد؟ أنا من مصر. وأنت؟ أنا من سوريا. So مصر, Egypt. سوريا, Syria. أهلا وسهلا, nice to meet you. أهلا وسهلا, nice to meet you. Okay, let's read the same conversation but between two females. بين فاطمة وسارة. فاطمة, السلام عليكم. سارة, وعليكم السلام. فاطمة, ما اسمك? So you see here, اسمك, the prefix should have kasra because Fatima is speaking to a female. So اسمك. So with masculine اسمك, with feminine اسمك. Your name feminine. اسمي سارة. وأنت ما اسمك؟ فاطمة. اسمي فاطمة. سارة. من أين أنت يا فاطمة؟ أنا من مصر. وأنت؟ أنا من سوريا. أهلا وسهلا. أهلا بك. Okay, this is the end of our first lesson. I hope you benefit from it. Thank you and see you soon in the next one.